Hello and welcome guys, welcome back to Tech with NJ. So already we have unboxed a case for this tablet. This is the Samsung tabS5e. So it is one of the thinnest tablet out there, and the later series the S6 and S7 also are very thin. So this kind of tech needs protection. So today we are going to unbox another case of this tabS5e. So today we are going to check the case. So this is the case from Spigen or Spigen, whatever you can say it. So let's see. So here it looks like this, and let me just make it clean it. So now you can see it's much cleaner now. So it has already cracks on this screen guard, not on the main screen. So this case doesn't need any kind of kickstands, or maybe like this you can use a multi-purpose angle. So this case already comes with a kickstand. So this is it how. So here you can use it like on landscape mode. Yeah, there is no portrait mode the tablet can stand on. And if you want to type a lot, so you can just make it like that. So you can type it easily like a laptop, raised PC, or you can say it. And yeah, it also has like a fingerprint group. So this tablet like already has like the power button is already flushed with the body. So it is hard to find where the fingerprint is or the power key is. So this case makes easier with to make it find your fingerprint 100% accuracy. So you can unlock it anytime without any such finding issue button or finding. So you don't require any kind of muscle memory. You can just figure it out where it is straight away. Because the face unlock is a bit slower on this model, and the later S6 and S6 Lite or 7, S7, so they all have like faster face scanner and as well as in-display fingerprint. So this comes with a side scanner on the built-in on a power button, so it is easy to recognize on the side of the case. So it also protects the back of the camera housing, here you can see, and it has a bit raised edges, so it can protect against any kind of maybe small falls. So, and yeah, it also protects the screen as well if you make it upside down. Strong, and you can see the proper ports are given properly. Microphone, 4 speakers, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Even the USB port is very well cut out. So design wise is 100% very much accurate piece of art, you can say, because design is excellent for the case as well. So this is not a kind of metalish thing, this is a plastic polycarbonate, you can see it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, wait for the next coming videos, and don't forget to like it. Thanks, see you, peace.